Hi, I'm Caroline from Spectrum. In this video, we'll be unboxing and using the Spectrum Aurora Diamond Luxe Firefly. Let's see what's inside. Each box contains a Firefly itself, a USB charging cable, and an instruction manual. And it comes in two colours, white and gold. The Firefly has an internal battery which can be charged using a USB cable, connecting straight onto the Firefly itself. And the USB can be charged using a laptop, a portable charger, or any USB power adapter. The Firefly has a clip which lets it easily mount to your smartphone, tablet, or laptop. There's a button at the back which allows you to control the intensity of light in 3 different levels.